Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake, and in this tutorial video we will create odd even numbers from 100 to 800 in Java. So this is one of the requested machine problem that one of our subscribers want me to solve personally. So before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my viewers, subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I'm using BlueJ as my text editor, so I have here series of comments and underscore even numbers .java. Yours truly, Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, MIT. The date which I wrote this code September 17, 2021, Friday, 11:56 p.m. And then I'm offering you guys my two websites. The first one is www.jkrpomperada.blogspot.com, and then the second one is www.jkrpomperada.com, which offers free source code for your school assignment, system development. You can visit there. You can download the source code for free. And then present time, I'm accepting programming jobs, web development, computer tutorials, software testing, technical writing at a very affordable cost. You can reach me in my personal email address jakerpomperada@gmail.com, and then my location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. So we have here machine problem. Write a program using while loop statement that will display odd or even numbers from 100 to 800. So we have here public class add underscore even numbers, public static void main. It is the main method in every Java programs that will execute. And then I declare two variables that has an integer, counter 1, counter 2, and we initialize with the value with 0. And then we have here the title, add even numbers 100 to 800 in Java. So the first portion, I declare a series of variables with an integer number in I. So I, we start with 101, number 800. So list of numbers 100 to 800. A new line, vertical, horizontal tab T, and then while I less than to 100. So the I here is 101, 100 is 800, counter 1 plus plus. The purpose of this variable is to increment that we want to display the first 28 numbers here, and then it will move to the second line. So I plus plus, I plus plus, I equals I plus 2 rather, sorry. 101 plus 2 is 103 for odd numbers. It will continue, and then we have your counter. And then the second command for even numbers, we merely have 100 instead of 101, and then increment by 2, increment by 1, counter 2, and then increment by 2 here. A equals a plus 2 spacing. If counter 2 equals 28 digits, it will move to the second line and end of the program. Don't worry guys, I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source codes of this sample program. Okay, the next step that we'll do is to compile to check for syntax errors. Compile no syntax errors, close. We go back to our BlueJ, right click, select void main args to execute our program, click OK. So we have here the output. So it's the series of numbers, list of odd numbers from 100 to 800, and in even numbers from 100 to 800 in Java. So we have here 101, 102, 105, 109, 11 up to 799. For our even numbers 100 to 800, 100, 102 by 2s up to 798 to 800, end of the program. So the program is quite challenging if you are new with programming, especially in Java, but I try my best to make the explanation easier to understand. As I said, don't worry, I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code. So this is the end of our tutorial video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy and learn something new on odd and even numbers from 100 to 800 in Java. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial, guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.